Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share this new video with you guys. If you aren't following my Instagram or my Twitter, you may not know this, but if you are following, you have probably at this point figured out my obsession with Nomad cosmetics. You already know I have an obsession for ColourPop. Love ColourPop makeup, especially their eyeshadow palettes. Nomad Cosmetics is probably... It's very close to knocking ColourPop out of first place, in my opinion. I have been absolutely adoring Nomad Cosmetics as of recently. There are no words to describe how much I've really been enjoying their palettes, their formulas, and their customer service in terms of their Instagram is incredibly responsive to comments and tags, and they interact with their customers. They'll send, every time they send you a palette or an order, they have a little personalized note in there, and they're some of the sweetest people. The owners of the brand, they are some of the sweetest people I've ever had the pleasure of talking to. I love Nomad Cosmetics. This is not sponsored by them. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just adore their products, and hopefully one day I will be able to work with them either as an affiliate or be on their PR list or, God forbid, do a collaboration with them in the future, but that is another thing, which is totally okay. I just adore Nomad Cosmetics. So today's video is going to be 3 different looks using my 2 Nomad Cosmetics palettes. I have the Land of Fire and Ice palette, or the Iceland palette, which when you open it up looks like this. Love it. It's a lot of blue tones with a really nice orangey red warm toned row in the middle. Absolutely love this palette. This is the first one that I got. And then their newest palette, which just came out a month ago maybe. This is the America's Parks palette. First of all, can we just talk about the aesthetic of these two? The packaging, love. But this is the America's Parks palette. It is just covered in different stamps and everything like that of different national parks. So this is what the palette looks like when you open it up. It's a lot more rainbow. It's a lot more versatile than this one is, I feel like. I just feel like you can get a bunch of different looks with this one. I know that I personally tend to do the same type of look with this one. I use the blues a lot. I don't really use the middle row a lot. But I just feel like because there's more color choices in here, I feel like you can get a lot more looks out of this. But both of these are absolutely amazing, and if you don't have them in your collection already, 10 out of 10 recommend. Their formula is so good. It's really pigmented, but it's also very buildable. So some shadows, of course, are more pigmented than others, and that's okay, but all of the shadows I find to be really buildable. So this look that I have on right now is using both of the palettes. This is the 3rd look that you guys are going to see today. The first look uses only the Iceland palette. The second look uses only the America's Parks, and then the 3rd look, the one that I'm wearing right now, uses both of them. So I'm very excited to be filming this for you guys, and I'm so happy with how these looks turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Please go follow, check out Nomad Cosmetics, and let's just go ahead and jump into the tutorials. So those are the 3 looks that I filmed with the Nomad Cosmetics palettes that I own. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials in the future, either using these palettes or maybe what I'll do is I'll like take my entire collection, put it on the floor, and put it on Instagram, and you guys can tell me what palettes you want to see me use. I'm attempting to go on a low buy for the rest of the year. Attempting is the key word there. But yeah, I would really love to just use more of the makeup that I have already. That's the point of the Project Pan that I have going on right now, which again, I'm not overly succeeding at. Not shocking to anybody, I don't think. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, follow, do everything for this video. Subscribe to my channel, obviously, like this channel, or like this video, and don't forget to follow, etc., interact with Nomad Cosmetics, because I can tell you it is absolutely worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody.